Incremental things. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now we start a new section, the element parameters.
How it works. So, Control Shift P. You can see the
Control Shift P is the shortcut for the element parameters. Every single element has this window. Items, topics, and concepts. And then tasks has a second window, a second tab of this window with the extra properties. But everything you see here is shared regardless of the element type.
the A factor.
We have seen this window and the element type. That when you select a different element here, you convert the element type as a consequence.
The A factor is the factor that your intervals get multiplied by.
Okay, before going into specifics, you will see the A factor and all of that. Okay, so that's my root element. I have the title, that's the same thing you will see in the knowledge tree. Then everything will have a value and could be, like the group and template, that it's none. That is the same as the group and a template. In the element window, it mentions just group, but means the concept group. It's in the hint. And a template is none. That means that now if I select, I don't know, the root, basically itself, and the article, how come the article has been selected right away? I didn't do that. It's because, remember, we have seen the concepts and how to apply this template. You see now we have root and article. We have seen like a small recap. Now we have seen all of the templates and concepts. Now we know what we have here. There are still plenty of tabs here and with information, but we only covered those three so far. We won't cover everything by the way. So now I see the group and the template. We have extra menus, history. That is the repetition history which can be accessed by Ctrl-Shift-H directly. So you don't need to do the element parameters first. And then difficulty, that is only for items. Let me show that to you. And now difficulty. No worries, we'll cover this much later when we go in space repetition and so on. Just to let you know that this difficulty is the only thing exclusive for items, but the entire window is the same for every single element. Ones can be empty, could be non-empty, but they have the same properties. And remember, you can also click on help, and it has the same effect and has the same effect as F1, by the way. And here you have one example how it looked some years ago, and it's pretty much the same. And this one for tasks. Exactly, I didn't show that to you. Let me see. And it's fascinating because as soon as I convert the element type from a topic to task, look, I already go to the next tab. It creates the tab, and I go to the second tab. And the extra features of in which task list I want to go, description, which is not the same as the comment or the text. We will see this during this section. And then everything here we have seen already on the tasks videos. So that's an overview, and now we will go individually what is the A factor, the priority, and all of that. See you in the next video.